Hey everyone, so you have created your Qwen AI account and now you're ready to sign in. Don't worry, I've got you covered in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First, head back over to Qwen AI in your browser and open the Qwen official website. Here at the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Simply click on it and you'll be redirected to the login page. Here, simply enter the email address that you have used while creating your account and also the password, and simply click on the login button to log in. And just like that, you're in. Now you can access all of Qwen AI's awesome features and start exploring. So simple, right? If you got any trouble signing in or have more questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.